Alright, this is a Makita LF1000 flip saw motor. And I have disassembled it as best as to my abilities. I just can't seem to get the armature, as it's called, out of here. And there's no more kind of holding screws or anything. I've seen some YouTube videos on other similar or Makita motors, and they usually just have a simple housing, and the armature motor slides just out of that housing, or the housing slides off the armature slash motor. But this one I cannot seem to get out of here, and I'm holding the phone camera on one hand, and I should of course thought of that, but maybe I can make it, so I can shove it a bit in and out. I don't know if I'm gonna get this on camera. There you go. It spins. It's got this. I don't know what that means. I tried to see if there's any reference marks other places, but I don't know if that's what it is. So I can pull it out to this point, but it just stops. And also that plastic ring around it, that's just loose, and I don't know, dust cover or something, so just come further out. I'll try to insert things here and bend, but don't want to push it too hard. Oops. So there we go. I've ordered a new armature part, which I found in the parts list. So maybe that, when I see that, maybe I'll understand how it's connected inside, or how it's stuck in the housing there. Maybe that explains something. So unless you guys have a very good tip for me, I'm just gonna have to wait until that part comes and see if I can understand anything from that, from how this one is stuck. So any tips appreciated.